So now you've learned a bit about liquids and the benefits of implementing them on your property. Assuming you're ready to move forward, it's time to start a conversation with your snow and ice contractor. A good way to start this conversation may be to simply ask, how many tons of salt did you use on our property the past season? This is extremely relevant because of the long-term damage associated with the amount of salt being applied. If your contractor has no idea how much salt they've applied, this may be a red flag. If your contractor does know how much they applied, you can reference our hidden facility cost of salt video to get a better understanding of what kind of long-term damage you're looking at from that salt application. Another question to ask is if your contractor is interested or willing to implement liquids on your property. If the answer to that question is no, you may not have the right contractor and it may be time to explore a new one. At the same time that you're having this discussion, it may be a good time to think about adjusting your contract to require the use of liquids on your property. Modifying your snow contracts to require the use of liquids is a great way to ensure you get the best treatment and the lowest chloride damage to your property. But we recommend starting slow. Too drastic of changes to your scope may alienate a good contractor or cause your existing contractor to fail quickly. Small changes we recommend starting with are requiring pre-treatment of your parking lot areas with liquid deicer. This pre-treatment will help prevent the bond of snow and ice with the pavement so that when they plow the snow, it clears more cleanly and requires less salt to de-ice down to bare pavement at the end of the event. Another place we recommend starting is on your sidewalks. Implementing liquids on your sidewalks will make a major impact to the cleanliness of the interiors of your building, the longevity of your doors, and your rugs. As you get into the de-icing season with these changes in your contract, help your contractor make these changes by constantly monitoring their progress and results. As a property owner or manager, you're on the property far more than your contractor is, so any feedback you can provide will be extremely helpful for the success in their liquids program and the longevity of your property. The benefits of implementing liquids on your property are substantial. From cleaner properties, interior and exterior, stronger relationships with your contractors, and less long-term damage to your property, implementing liquids on your property is a no-brainer. Start a conversation with your contractor today and elevate your liquid IQ.